Hello, my name is Chris Moore. I'm here today to introduce you to Senior Remodeling Experts. I have been in the construction industry for almost 40 years and started my business, which I named Solid Rock Enterprises, in 2001. The name Solid Rock Enterprises comes from the scripture that says, "The wise man built his house on the solid rock, and when the winds blew and the storms came, then that house stood. Whereas the foolish man who built his house on the shifting sands, when the winds blew and the storms came and the rains came down, it was washed away with a great crash." So I have built my business on faith in Jesus Christ, and it has been an integral part of my life and my business in every way, and that continues to be the case. Starting in 2008, when my mother and father moved back to Virginia, where I live and where I run my business, my mother had a stroke, and they bought a house and went to come home to that house. My mother was using a wheelchair for mobility at the time, and there were 6 or 7 steps coming into the house. And so I built my very first wheelchair ramp, and we got my mother in the house, and we put up some grab bars, and we put up some swing clear hinges, and we did some things to the house to make it more user-friendly, to make it more of a forever home that someone can live in throughout the course of their life, rather than a Peter Pan house that's built for people that never grow old. And so from that time forward, my business became more and more involved in creating these forever homes, in creating homes that are safe and accessible for people of all ages and abilities. And so the name that came to my mind was Senior Remodeling Experts, because I believe that our seniors, our people who have lived a long and a full life, should be venerated and should be respected. And in our culture, there's this reverence for youth. There's this almost worship of youthfulness, like that is the great thing to be held up and to be admired and to be attained at all costs. But what I recognize and what I believe is that our lives can become richer as we grow older. The experiences that I have been through in my life, the difficulties and the challenges and the dry and the barren places and the hardships are all the things that have made my life more fulfilling and more full. And the faith and the resiliency that I have developed as I have been through these difficult times has been what has sustained me and what has brought me forward and brought me to the place I am today. So I am telling you that Senior Remodeling Experts is here to serve the people in our community and to serve the people that are struggling with the homes that they live in. They love their homes. It's a sense of protection. It's a place of refuge. It's a place where we feel the most comfortable. And yet oftentimes those homes have challenges. There's too many steps. The doorways are too narrow. The hallways are too narrow. The floors are too slippery. The lighting is poor. And I am going to be on this channel talking about the idea that your home can be a forever home. We can help you make it a forever home. It can be the place of refuge for you in your 70s, 80s, and 90s, as much or more than it was in your 20s, 30s, and 40s. So I hope that you will stay with me, that you will come back to this channel to find out more about where we're going on our journey together, not only how we can help you create your forever home, but tips and tricks and things that you can do in your own home, as well as those professionals who, like me, are interested in providing these services and providing a forever home, a place for people to call home throughout the course of their life. So I'm excited to be here and to embark on this journey together. And so once again, introducing Senior Remodeling Experts. Come back regularly to our channel because we have much more to come. Thank you for watching.